2 Minutes. My name is Christina and today we're going to look at essay structure. All essays follow the same basic structure, and by following the structure you ensure the clarity of your work. This is important because it means that your reader will be able to easily follow your argument. The basic essay structure consists of your introduction, main body, and concluding paragraphs. Your introduction is where you set out your argument in the form of the thesis statement and identify the main points that you'll be making. The main body of your essay is where you make the points that support your argument in your thesis statement. The number of paragraphs can vary depending on the length of your essay. Always remember 1 point, 1 paragraph. This ensures the clarity of your argument. In your conclusions, you tie everything together, reiterating your argument and how you've proved your thesis. Make sure you also structure your essay according to the style guidelines of your department. This is really important as you'll lose marks for not adhering to these. Familiarize yourself with the style you need to write in and how you should cite your sources. If you're not sure what style your department uses, consult somebody in your department to find out. So to recap, essays follow basic structure. Use this structure as a roadmap for your writing. This will ensure the clarity of your work. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.